हेलो गाइस, पॉलिटिकल साइंस यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी एमए इन पॉलिटिकल साइंस एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर देखेंगे। इसका यूज़ JNU जामिया AMU BHU DU जितने भी यूनिवर्सिटी हैं, तमाम यूनिवर्सिटी चाहे हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी चाहे जितने भी 29 राज्य हैं, 9 केंद्र शासित प्रदेश हैं, जितने भी यूनिवर्सिटी के अगर एग्ज़ाम हो गए PGM इन पॉलिटिकल साइंस का, तो उसमें क्वेश्चन मैक्सिमम टाइम पूछे जाते हैं। किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी के हो तो इसका यूज होता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन विथ आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, मैच द फॉलोइंग विथ वर्ड्स एंड ऑथर। ऑप्शन 1 हिंदू पद पड़ोसी, राइट आंसर इज राजा राम मोहन राय। सेकेंड व्हील ऑफ हिस्ट्री, पंडित रमाबाई। एंड थर्ड तुफात अल मुहद्दीन, BD सावरकर। एंड डी द हाई कास्ट हिंदू वुमेन, राम मनोहर लोहिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 52, who among the following considered democracy as nothing more than a periodic election and ordinary citizen beyond the act of voting should have no role in shaping policy? Option 1 Joseph A. Schumpeter. Option 2 Larry Diamond. Option 3 Juan Lees. Option 4 Robert Dahl. The right answer is Robert Dahl. Next question number 50. Next question number 53, who among the following suggests that nationalism can be attributed to the rise of industrial age? Option 1 Leigh Greenfeld. Option 2 Anthony Smith. Option 3 Ernest Gleaner. Option 4 Donald Horowitz. The right answer is Ernest Gleaner. Next question number 54, who among the following said caste system is not merely division of layer, it is also division of laborers? Option 1 Jyotiba Phule. Option 2 B.R. Ambedkar. Option 3 Savitribai Phule. Option 4 Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The right answer is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Next question number 55, who among the following use models and assumptions drawn for economics to analyze political behavior? Option 1 Anthony Downs. Option 2 T.M. Lipset. Option 3 J.M. Keynes. Option 4 Robert Hall. The right answer is Robert Hall. Question number 56, who among the following laid stress on the imagined quality of nationalism? Option 1 Benedict Anderson. Option 2 E. Hobsbawm. Option 3 Ernest Gleaner. Option 4 Hans Kohn. The right answer is Benedict Anderson. Question number 57, who among the following wrote the classic essay Science as a Vocation? Option 1 Max Weber. Option 2 Charles Tilly. Option 4 Sidney Tarot. Option 4 Ira Katznelson. The right answer is Max Weber. Next question number 58, who among the following state public policy is whatever government choose to do or not to do? Option 1 B. Guy Peters. Option 2 Thomas Ardai. Option 3 David Easton. Option 4 Y. Dorr. The right answer is B. Guy Peters. Next question number 59, who among the following scholars conceptualize Indian Constitution as a seamless web? Option 1 Subhash Kashyap. Option 2 D.D. Basu. Option 3 Granville Austin. Option 4 M.V. Piley. The right answer is 4 M.V. Piley. Next question number 16, who among the following describes India as a quasi-federal? The right answer is K.C. Bear. Option 1 Granville Austin. Option 2 W.H. Maurice Jones. Option 3 K.C. Bear. And 4th Maron Vanier. The right answer is K.C. Bear. Next question number 61, who among the following Question 8. The claim that public administration is a science. Option 1 Luther Gulick. Option 2 Frank Goodenough. Option 3 Luther Gulick. First one Luther Urwick. Option 4 Robert Dahl. The right answer is Luther Gulick. Next question, question number 62. Who among the following introduced the concept of zone of difference in an organization? Option 1 Chester I. Bernard. Option 2 Chris Agris. Option 3 Douglas McGregor. And option 4 Herbert Simon. The right answer is Chester I. Bernard. Next question, question number 63. Who among the following is not a liberal thinker? Option 1 Michael Dewey. Option 2 Stephen Walt. Option 3 John Icknebury. Option 4 Robert Keown. The right answer is Stephen Walt. Next question, question number 64. Washington Consensus refers to the 10-point neoliberal guideline to liberal economic reforms for development around the world. Option 2 the 10-point neoliberal guideline to liberal economic reforms for development in Europe. Option 3 the 10-point neoliberal guideline to liberal economic reform for development in USA. And option 4 none of these. The 10-point neoliberal guideline to liberal economic reforms for development in USA. Option number 3 the right answer. Next question, question number 65. The emergence of public administration as a discipline is associated with which of the following? Option 1 American Society of Public Administration. Option 2 Indian Institution of Public Administration. Option 3 Minerva Conference. And option 4 Cooperative Administration Group. The right answer is American Society of Public Administration. Next question, question number 66. Which of the following is not true about Rousseau? First option, he wants to reconcile liberty with sovereignty. Option 2 sovereignty originate in a peoples and get transferred to ruler. Option 3 general will is always morally right. Option 4 he holds a positive view of liberty. The right answer is he holds positive view of liberty. Option number 4. Next question, question number 67. Which of the following is not true of Marx's view of state? Option 1 the proletariat will need to capture state power. Option 2 the state is an instrument of class exploitation. As third, the state is necessary for resolving class conflicts. Option 4 the state will wither away. The right answer is 4 the state will wither away. Question number 68. Which of the following is not the basic principle of Hans J. Morgenthau's realism? Option 1 politics is governed by universal moral values. Option 2 politics is autonomous. Option 3 politics is rooted in human nature. Option 4 national interest is defined in terms of power. The right answer is politics is rooted in a human nature. Next question, question number 69. Which of the following treaties ended the 30 Years' War? Option 1 Peace of Westphalia. Second, Treaty of Vienna. And third, Treaty of Utrecht. Fourth, Treaty of Versailles. The right answer is Treaty of Utrecht. Next question 70. Which of the following pacts resulted in a compromise between Ambedkar and Gandhi on the issue is separate electorate? Option 1 Lahore Pact. Option 2 Lucknow Pact. Option 3 Delhi Pact. Option 4 Pune Pact. The right answer is Delhi Pact. Next question, question number 71. Which of the following is not included in the list of essential elements of Prakriti of a state as identified by Kautilya? Option 1, the minister. Option 2, the territory and its population. Option 3, nationalism. And 4, the ruler. The right answer is the ruler. Next question, question number 72. Which of the following does not constitute a central idea of the instrumentalist school of ethnicity? Option 1, it is based on shared blood and shared ancestry. Option 2, it is shaped by the way political institutions are designed. Option 3, it's neither inherent in human nature nor intrinsically valuable. Option 4, it is a construct of the modern epoch. The right answer is neither inherent in human nature nor intrinsically valuable. Next question, question number 73. Which of the following is not a feature of Ram Manohar Lohiya's concept of Saptakranti? The next question, the option 1 is violent revolution, third, emancipation of women, option 3, abolition of caste, option 4, economic equality. The right answer is economic equality, option number 4. Next question, 74. Which of the following statements is not true above of half? Option 1, there is no occasion for disobeying the sovereign. Option 2, sovereign is a product of a pact. Option 3, sovereign must be absolute or nothing. Option 4, law is command of the sovereign. The right answer is law is command of the sovereign. Next question, 75. Which of the following statements best describe the scientific character of comparative politics? Option 1, comparative political analysis is basically reducible to ideology and opinions. Comparative political analysis is a type of science and probably can't produce knowledge of the same degree of certainty as in the physical science. Option 3, comparative politics analysis is a non-explanatory mode of science. Option 4, comparative political analysis is just like a physical science in its ability to produce certain knowledge. Option, the right answer, comparative political analysis is just like a physical science, its ability to produce a certain knowledge. The right answer is option number 4. Next question, question number 76. Which of the following statements are correct with respect of global karma? These are areas not under sovereign jurisdiction. They have an environmental dimension. They are owned by a nation. The high sea, deep ocean floor, and outer space come with this category. There are the same who are the सभी सही मिले हुए हैं. Option number question number 77. Which of the following proposition is not found in classical realism? The structure of international politics is anarchic. Option 2, state act on the basis of their self-interest. Option 3, the concept of interest is defined in terms of power. Option 4, the laws of politics have their roots in human nature. The right answer is the law of politics have their root in human nature. Option number 4. Next question, question number 78. Which of the following proposition is not given by the theorist of complex interdependence? Option 1, there is an absence of hierarchy among issues of international politics. Option 2, there is a minor role of military forces in international politics. Option 3, the state is a unitary actor. Option 4, multiple channels connect society. The right answer is the state is unitary actor. Next question, question number 79. Which of the following author gave the concept of tragedy of commons? 1. John Barnett. Option second, James Lovelock. Option third, Garrett Hardin. Option fourth, Carl Sagan. The right answer is Garrett Hardin. Next question, question number 18. Which of the following was not a distinctive feature of the Dharmsas tradition in India? Option 1. A scholar concentrated on the nature and mechanism of power. Option second. A scholar of the tradition discussed the source of dharma. Option third. Scholars provide a detailed perspective of duties. Option 4. Scholars provides a detailed code of conduct covering the entire human life. The right answer is scholar of the tradition discuss the source of dharma. The right answer is second. Next question, question number 81. Which of the following is true? Option 1. Both globalists and skeptics believe that the states are losing their power in the globalized world. Option second. Globalists believe that the role of the states is eroding the present time. Option third, none of the above. Option 4. Skeptics believe that the role of the states is eroding in the present time. The right answer is globalists believe that the role of the state is eroding in the present time. Next question, question number 82. Which of the following level of analysis is not discussed by Walsh in his book Man, the State and War? Option 1. State level. Option 2. Dyadic level. Option 3. Individual level. Option 4. Systematic level. The right answer is systematic level. Next question, question number 83. Which of the following is true? Both Gandhi and Tagore regarded nationalism as a means. Option second. Both Gandhi and Tagore advocated the use of charkha. Option number 3. Tagore disagreed with Gandhi program of non-cooperation. Option 4. Tagore supported the use of violence while Gandhi opposed the use of violence in the freedom struggle. The right answer is both Gandhi and Tagore advocated the use of charkha. Next question, question number 84. Which one of the following is true about the First World War? It was the first modern industrial total war. Second, it was fought between 1939 to 1945. It begins between European states and fought on the European battlefield. Next, it is also known as a Great War. The right answer is 1, 2 and 3. Only one. It was the first modern industrial total war. And third, it was fought between 1939 and 1949. It begins with European and also is Great War. Next question, question number 85. Who gave the domino theory about the geopolitical consciousness of the victory of Vietnam during the Cold War? The option is first, Bernard Baruch. Option second, Joseph Stalin. Option third, President Kennedy. Option fourth, President Eisenhower. The right answer is President Kennedy. Next question, question number 86. Who first described Congress hegemony in India in terms of one-party dominance? Next question, the option first is Paul Bross, the second James Manor, the third Rajni Kothari, and fourth L. Rudolph or S. Rudolph. The right answer is Rajni Kothari. Next question, question number 87. According to Foucault, power knowledge relationship is first independent, second none of the, third mutually conjugative, fourth contradictory. The right answer is independent. Next question, question number 88. According to the Hindu Swaraj, the major obstacle to Indian self-government is first British government, second extremist politics, third Indian elite, second sectarian nationalism. The right answer is sectarian nationalism. Next question, question number 89. According to Kautilya, Dand is the symbol of option 1 discipline, option 2 war, option 3 punishment, option 4 sovereign. The right answer is war, option number 2. Next question, question number 90. According to Pradeep Chibbar, weak associational life in India result in first consolidation of social capital, second an activist state, third fragmentation of the party system, fourth change in electoral law. The right answer is an activist state. The right answer is second. Next question, question number 91. According to L. Rudolph and S. Rudolph, caste in India fostered democracy for all of the following reasons except one. Identify the exception. Option 1. Produce a new set of caste leaders. Ensures affirmative action policy by the state. Make caste a scared rather than a secular entity. Option 4. It capacitate a politically illiterate mass electorate to organize up. The right answer is capacitate a politically illiterate mass electorate to organize. The right answer. Next question, question number 92. According to Aristotle, the state is the highest association because option A, it aims at a moral fulfillment of citizen. Option second, in ensure economic self-sufficiency. Option third, it undertakes distributive justice. Option 4, it possesses sovereignty. The right answer is it ensures economic self-sufficiency. Next question, question number 93. The term command polity and demand polity were coined by which of the following political thinker? Option 1, Francine Frackel. Option 2, D. L. Set. Option 3, L. Rudolph or S. Rudolph. Option 4, Rajni Kothari. The right answer is L. D. Set. Next question, question number 94. The Saptang theory of the state is described in which of the following texts? Option 1, Brahman. Option 2, the Vishnu Dharmottara Puran. Option 3, Arshastra. Option 4, Dig Nikaya. The right answer is the Vishnu Dharmottara Puran. Option number 2. Next question, question number 95. The 9th schedule of the Indian Constitution was added by which of the following amendments? First Amendment, 10th Amendment, 7th schedule, या 14th Amendment. The right answer is 14th Amendment. Next question, question number 96. The theory of just war can be attributed to which of the following? First, Immanuel Kant. Second, Ole Hallesty. Third, Hans Morgenthau. Fourth, Samuel Pufendorf. The right answer is Samuel Pufendorf. Next question, question number 97. J.S. Mill has people state that option 1 prevention of harm to self is found by restricting liberty. Option 2 prevention of harms to other is the only ground for restricting liberty. Option 3 there are no purely self-regarding actions. Option 4 all of these. The right answer is there are no purely self-regarding action. Option number 3. Next question, question number 98. The notion of administrative man was coined by first Max Weber, second David Waldo, third Charles F. Taylor, fourth Herbert Simon. The right answer is Max Weber. Next question, question number 99. Who is the author of the Book of Silent Spring? Option A Rachel Carson. Option second Naomi Klein. Option third Henry A. Kissinger. Option 4 Jared Diamond. The right answer is Rachel Carson. Next question and last question, question number 100. Macaulay Khosla belong to which of the following tradition of Indian thought? Option 1 determinism. Option 2 materialism. Option 3 Jainism. Option 4 Buddhism. The right answer is Jainism. Thanks for watching. More videos, like, share, subscribe and comments.